Hi guys, so we're doing the Captain Tom 100 challenge. We're doing 100 sausages. This is just some of them. I think we've got about 5 other trays of this. We're going to use the Weber SmokeFire pellet grill for this, so we're going to get a beautiful smoke flavour into it. I think we're using hickory chips, is that right? Yeah. So if you just hear that, that's the injection of smoke that's going in, the air circulation around the sausages to get a beautiful smoky mahogany kind of colour to the sausages.
We loaded the SmokeFire in batches to make sure that the smoke could circulate around and create an unmistakable smoky flavour. We couldn't forget about the veggies and the vegans, so we had the Genesis 310 on hand to grill those. Make sure to keep an eye on your grill and rotate your sausages for an even cook. You're looking for a deep mahogany colour. A great tip from Tarrant: when you don't have a silicone basting brush to hand, try using herbs like thyme or rosemary to coat the sausages and sauce. So now just checking the temperature with the Weber Instant Reader thermometer. You want the temperature for pork or poultry to be at least 75 degrees. Here's the first batch. It looks like the sausages are a real hit. Thank you to Tarrant for joining us today and donating the sausages for the awesome challenge. If you'd like to get involved in the Captain Tom 100 challenge to help raise money for the Captain Tom Foundation, check out www.captaintom100.com.